Dash it away. Dash it away.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Power to the people!
Big up yourself, Diego. Big up yourself.
The people have to start standing for themselves. The government has forgotten who we are. The ministers have forgotten who we are. Now the people are going to stand for themselves. Tell them the Guyanese critics said so. But I try to get him money to pay them. I ain't making money.
A little further than the government of this country has done, and the main city council and the minister has done. It is my opinion that this government is incapable of taking care of its people. Cabinet is incapable of taking care of its people. I am planning to take care of myself from now on, and I hope every Guyanese who wants to be a free Guyanese take up the opportunity to take care of themselves, because the government of this country and the ministers and everybody else of this country has left the Guyanese people to the mercy of Tiberius. Smart City Solution has locked my wheel. I will be taking off those locks myself. I don't know what the consequences are going to be, but in light of the main city councils not caring, the government not caring, I myself have lost care.
Lose your light though.
Ready for roll without them?